remove the battery. And plug in. See? You will be noticed by the lights here and here that OSMO Action is working right now. It's, it have electricity inside. So turn it on. It will be turned on and it will be worked fine. But at this point, if you remove, the charger, of course it will be shut down. But at this point, you will enter the battery. First of all, you will be asked to set the date and the time and stuff like that. You will be asked to. It will show here a hard reset button. It will show hard reset. You tap it in, and it will continue with the time and stuff like that. But at this point, you will enter the battery. So stick it in. Okay. Now my battery is 100%. At this point, it works from my OSMO Action. I hope it will work with yours. You will remove the charging and it will shut down. But at this point, do not remove the battery. Do not remove it. Just when the OSMO is shut down, you put it back in the charger and see it will start to charge. So at this point, you can turn it on and see how many percent the battery goes or stuff like that. So it works for me like this. I don't know. I hope it will work for you too. Thanks.